Hey there, fellas. Okay, so you guys probably understand what's happening here. After we conducted a bunch of engine-related experiments, we took everything apart looking to put at least one functional motor together. Yeah, you give that to me. And so an idea occurred to us. A fun thought popped into our heads. We've already done a ton of experiments involving wooden pistons, a clutch, and even a crankshaft. We almost even got that last one to work. How about today we make some wooden conrods? See whether the wood is able to hold up or not. The crankshaft, well, you probably remember that the engine almost even started right before that thing fell apart. So now we should check if conrods are going to work. See how much force they can withstand, if wood is durable enough, and just have a blast trying to see what comes out of this, assuming they actually work. Alright, let's fabricate some wooden conrods. If you, like us, take the health of your car seriously, then you need Carly. Carly is an adapter and a phone app that works on both iOS and Android devices. With Carly, you can save hundreds on your car by catching potential issues before they become serious problems. Now here are just a few of its cool features. You can check your car's systems for hidden errors and clear fault codes, see the driving behavior of the previous owner and check if the mileage was tampered with, personalize your car by coding different features, register a new battery, or carry out a service reset. All car brands are supported for the OBD functions. It's very easy to use, and on top of that, the adapter comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. The Carly adapter can be used with a free light version of the app to access OBD diagnostics, some live data, and one used car check. In order to access all of the features, you'll need to get a 12-month subscription. Go ahead and visit their website to see which features should work for your specific car brand and model. Use our code GARAGE54 for a 15% discount off of the Carly adapter. All of the links are going to be in the description. Wooden conrods. Maybe they'll work. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Okay, fellas, here's what we're looking at. We've assembled the engine. It's fitted with some wooden conrods. But you see, all of this sounds simple enough. But as a matter of fact, fabricating wooden conrods, sure, wood is a malleable material, it's easy to machine, but as you're well aware, it isn't nearly as durable as good old steel. And even making a lower cap is quite a challenge, if you're looking to use the factory bolts for holding it on. So here's the issue we ran into. See how thin this piece is? Not a lot of material there. We went through a ton of these lower caps before we got somewhere. Honest to God, guys, this was a real pain in the ass. Perhaps it's all in the fibers running lengthwise. In any case, it breaks. This one is holding up, though. Screw it. In any case, we've assembled the motor. Everything is looking good. I suggest we summon all hands on deck, say our prayers, and try firing it up. Let's do this. Anybody want to place a bet? At least we had spark. Didn't last long, though. What do we got? Yeah, exactly what I was talking about. One rod shattered to bits straight away. Might not be the only one. Are these all from one rod? Now let's keep going. No use sitting on our laurels. It is coughing, but won't go any further. Let's do this. Let's keep trying. Okay, so if it refuses to fire up on gas, I think we should use some of that. Some starting fluid. This might get it running on 3 cylinders. Come on now. Alright fellas, so far we haven't been able to start the motor, so we've decided to have some fun and check the compression in these cylinders. This won't work for cylinder number 4, since that rod shattered, but we've still got 3 more left. Those we'll measure up, at the very least one of them, to see if we even have any compression. I mean, why won't it start? It is working its way there, it coughs and puffs, but doesn't quite make it. Alright, full throttle. Let's do this. That's pretty weak. Pretty weak indeed. A bit under 5 atmospheres. That won't do. Better pour in some oil. Full throttle. Same story. Will we see 5 in cylinder 1? Or 3? Consistence. That's what tells us it's gonna work. Someday at least. When they melt it down and use the metal to make a completely different engine. Yeah, it's basically the same. Maybe just a tad more. That might be enough to start the engine. We just need to add some oil. It sounds much happier now. But that might be because we removed the spark plugs. Alright, let's give this another try, shall we? Give it some more. Come on, start, please. Let's pour some gas right in there. That should do the trick. We're gonna be on fire.
Тык-тык. Тык-тык.
Are you seeing this? We lost another retainer. Great. I'd like to see that it's almost running. Shoot some more in there. Let's carry on. It's running. Spray some more in there. Whoever predicted that it's going to catch fire, good call. Let it rip. Sure keeps squirting, right. It's pretty dangerous, don't you think? We nearly barbecued Vlad over there. Mind your cap, dude. What gives? Yeah, I take it the ignition timing is off. At least we're making progress. It's running on 3 cylinders. That's it? Oh, your cap. What's up? Yeah, let's keep trying. Oh, come on. It is trying really hard. Let's go. Okay, so it ran, and another rod bites the dust. That does it, I guess. We're done here. Okay, let's see what we got. Fellas, we did get it to run, but the very moment it started, it began to spit bits of itself out. I take it this used to be the upper part of the conrod. This is where the piston pin used to be seated. And here's another bit that evacuated. Another cap. Like I already said, this part is somewhat flimsy. As for the upper bit, I'm actually a bit surprised. Anyway, the engine did start on wooden conrods. I mean, you saw it all for yourselves, how it was running and everything. However, it didn't last long. These wooden conrods quickly fell to bits, and now the pistons are just sitting wherever they made it to. No reciprocation happening, meaning that this engine is not going to run. Anyway, fellas, this was a tremendous success. This engine actually started on wooden conrods, and even if just for a little bit, but it actually was running. Alright, fellas, that's all I have for you. Watch us, subscribe, send in your comments and suggestions, give us a big thumbs up. Alright, catch you later.
Удачи!